Welcome everybody to the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy and today I'm showing you a variation of the chirp flare. Not that difficult, but very important and efficient if you want to step up your Scratch game. Check it out. For this combo we're gonna do 2 chirps and a 1-click flare. Once again. So 2 chirps and a 1-click flare. Faster. And full speed. Now let me show you on a beat right now. Once again, you can mix it up with transforms or crabs.